For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the...
This one?
The one on the right. Press that one up. Up, top, there you go. One, all right. No, to the right one more time. Press the fuel. Up, 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 on.
Dad,
Click it, click it. You're good.
That's stop.
Click it, click it. All right, go ahead and hit that starter button. I want to make sure that this is working. We got to make sure these coils are working. Go ahead, start it. Start it. Turn it off. Good job. All right. Pound it. Good job. What's up, guys? We're back here in the shop. I got me and my buddy Cashy, and just doing a little bit of work. We got the oil changed in the Zephyr here. We're getting ready this Thursday, tentative weather pending and all that stuff. We'll be going, I'm taking the car to TKM to get the tune up changed a little bit, or just looked over. Hopefully it won't take us too much, and then we'll be ready to get on some racing. Not exactly sure when we're racing, but what I'm going to do, we also figured out my little coil issue. Again, had just the wiring swapped on the coils for some reason. Just dumb. Uh-oh, did you just cut yourself? Sounded like you ripped your jacket. But, yep, this is my man. Look how big he's getting. Like, it just seems like he's getting huge to me.
It's almost 2 things and I'll be racing.
Yep. Well, we got to get the clutch fixed on yours, and then get that carburetor tuned up, and we'll be ready to go.
I just want to start it up.
I know. It's a little late. Well, I mean, we just started this thing, so. All right, but one thing I was going to show everybody, we got a wing from Drag Solutions. Hopefully get this thing on in the next couple of weeks.
Kind of like Turbo John's.
Yeah, well, no, it's not like Turbo John's. Turbo John's is a little, it's a lot bigger. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. Okay. All right, let's open this thing up and see exactly what comes in the box. This is technically for, and I know Corey probably won't watch this video, but he'll laugh. This is technically for a G-body. So, oh, wow. So you ain't got to worry too much about shipping. As you can see here, there's wood. Can you show them the wood here? They have wood. Let's see. I got to figure out. Okay, all right. So let me get around here. Push these back a little bit. And without, oh boy. Now, I have never put a wing on, so I have no earthly idea how to do that.
Just contact Turbo John, he'll do it for you.
You think Turbo John will do it for me?
He put on the hugest wing. I'm sure he can put a whatever.
Think he would do it for me?
Yeah, there's tons of wood around this thing.
Yeah, he has a wooden frame all the way around it. And considering shipping,
what's this?
And considering they do, this is the wing itself.
Oh.
Considering they
put tape on.
They give sometimes you can get these. He'll do a free shipping type of deal, which I'm pretty sure is what we got. Oh boy, I'm a little scared to pull this out without installing it today. Let's see here. Oh, taped it to everything. It is really locked down here. Very cool. So, big old wing here. You go ahead and shut it off for a minute, buddy, while we're Ready? Point up at me. All right, guys, so we got this Drag Solutions wing together. This took us, what?
Like 14 minutes.
14 minutes? That's pretty exact. So here we go. Here it is. I've got to learn how... Yeah, just back up, buddy, so we can see the whole thing. Back on up. Okay. It's going to sit something like that. Back up and show the whole wing. Back over here behind this box and just show it. Something like that. Does that look right?
Nope.
No?
Just show it.
Do
Like,
it like some of them guys and put it up like this? Like that?
I would like to put it up like Turbo John.
Up here?
Yeah.
So it should be somewhere like this right here, I think. Which is pretty sweet. I don't have these things in place yet, but I'm gonna see what it looks like myself. Let's see if I can balance that. No, I don't think I'll be able to. Huh. That should do it. What do you think?
It looks like your that car in the game.
Just like a car in the game? Yeah.
But it's a Zephyr.
Exactly. All right. Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Sweet.
I actually wanted to put it up like high like the guy.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. No way. I don't know exactly how these things work. So we got to figure those out. They're pretty sweet. Pretty sure they just go up in here like this, and we connect it down. We've also got to figure out the situation with this, how this works. If it will be removable with the wing. I'm not sure exactly. So, if anybody has any recommendations, can they see me on there? Or is it cutting my head off?
It's cutting the head off.
Yeah, let's not do that. Okay. If anybody has any recommendations on the way or any links or anything like that of how we should attach this to the car, because I do have this trunk that needs to be attached, let me know. That will be awesome. Post a link or whatever the case may be, and that will help me out a ton. So that was like a really quick, a couple hours of getting some work done?
Like 1 hour?
Yeah, something like that. It's time for your bed, so we're going to have to head out.
It's past.
Past your bedtime. All right.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the